Hi children, come we'll see the next topic. So in our last video, I told you that what a saucepan with a handle, the constellation, okay. Saucepan, see this is, if you consider this as a sky and these are all the stars, see the 7 groups, 7 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 stars, no, here it forms a shape which is what? Like a saucepan with handle, that is called a what the name of this constellation, the group of stars, 7 stars, okay, which is called what? Big Dipper. What? Big Dipper or Saptarishi. What we call Saptarishi. Okay, understood children? See how nice, no? See, this is one type of constellation. Okay, and this is one more pattern which is called what we call it as Kalpurush or what? Orion. Okay, Orion or Kalpurush. See, hunter shape. It looks like a hunter having a what? Arrow in his hand. So this is what? This type of constellation is called Kalpurush or Orion. Okay, in this way we can see what? The pattern of stars gives the constellation. Okay, understood children? Come, we'll see the solar system now. See, this is the solar system, and I told you the planets revolve around the sun. Okay, and these planets are bounded by the sun's gravity. Okay, see what all the planets they are: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Okay, Neptune, and also the dwarf planet is there here, which is called the Pluto. Okay, now it is not there, only 8 planets are there in the solar system. Okay. See here children, take your textbook, take page number 225, 225. Okay, 225. Come, we'll see the next one. Mercury, okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are closer to the sun and are called the inner planets. Okay, and are called the inner planets which are closer to the sun. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Okay, I'll show you. Look here. If you see the picture, look here, the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are all called the inner planets. Why? Because these are all closer to the sun. Okay, these are all called the inner planets. Okay, they can be seen from the Earth in the night sky with a naked eye. Okay, they are all are made of hard rock. Okay, they all are made of hard rock. Okay, we can see it from the Earth, from our planet. Okay, from the Earth in the night sky. Okay, understood children? We can see because these planets are closer to what? To the sun, even also closer to us, to the Earth also. Okay. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are far away from the sun and are called outer planets. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, these are all far away from the Earth. They are made up of gases and are very big. They are also known as the gas giants. Okay, gas giants. Okay, see, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made of what? Hard rock. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are made of water. Gases. Okay, and they are very big. Okay, that's why we call it as gas giants. Look here. Look here, if you see this Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are far away from the sun. That's why we call it as outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets, and Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets. And these 4 planets are made of hard rocks, and these 4 planets are made of what? Gas. That's why we call it as what? And these are all very big. Okay, these are all very big. That's why we call it as gas giants. Okay, gas giants. Understood children? Now we'll see the planets one by one. Okay, Mercury. What? Mercury. What? Mercury. Okay. This is the closest planet. This is the closest planet to the sun. That is a very nearby planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet. Okay, and also it is the smallest planet and has no moons. It can be seen with the naked eye. We can see it from the earth with the naked eye. Means we can what? Naked eye means no need of telescope and all. Okay, we can see. Okay, on our own eyes. Okay, so Mercury is the closest sun planet to the sun. Okay, this is the closest planet to the sun, and it is the smallest planet. Okay, and there are no moons for Mercury, and we can see this planet with the naked eye. Understood, children? So this is about Mercury. Okay, come, we'll see the next planet, that is Venus. Okay, this is our nearest neighbor. That is what? Neighbor, our neighbor, the next planet to us. Okay, this is our nearest neighbor, Venus. Okay, look here, I'll show you. See, if you take Mercury is the smallest planet among all planets, all 8 planets. Mercury is the smallest planet and nearest to the sun. Okay, and Venus is the neighbor, is the nearest neighbor to us. Okay, nearest neighbor to us. Okay, understood, children? Yes. Okay, it is the brightest of all planets. See, if you take Venus, it is the brightest planet. We can see it in the mornings and evenings, and is called the morning or evening star. Since it is very bright, we can see in the evening and as well as morning. Okay, that's why we call it as morning or evening star. Even though it is a planet, we call it as morning or evening star, because we can see the stars in the night only, no? Okay, star. So, but we can see this Venus in the morning and evening. That's why we call it as star. Okay, and it is, since it is very bright like a star. Okay, understood, children? Now we'll see the next planet, that is our planet, the Earth. Okay, Earth has water and atmosphere. It is called the blue planet and is the only planet with life on it. Okay, Earth has what? Water. That's why we call it as what? Blue planet. Okay, understood, children? That's why we call it as what? Blue planet. So if we see the Earth from the outer space, okay, from that means in the space, from the space, if you see our planet, it will what? Blue in color. Okay, it looks blue in color. That's why we call it as blue planet. Okay, and it also, the Earth has atmosphere. That's why what? And Earth is the only planet with life on it. Okay, Earth has one moon. Okay, how many moons are there for Earth? One moon. Okay, so Earth has water and atmosphere. It is called the blue planet and is the only planet with life on it. Earth has one moon. Okay, understood, children? Come, we'll see the next planet, that is Mars. This is called the red planet because of its red surface. It is red surface. That's why we call it as a red planet. Okay, it is almost half the size of the Earth. Okay, it is compared to Earth, it is half the size of the Earth. Okay, it has 2 moons. How many moons are there for Mars? 2 moons. Okay, understood, children? So the Mars is also the planet, no? And it is what? We call it as red planet because what? It has a red surface. Its surface is red. Okay, it is also half the size of the Earth. Okay, it has 2 moons. Okay, come, we'll see then. These are all the, so this Mercury, what? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets, and these are all made of hard rocks. Okay, these are all made of hard rocks. Understood, children? And these are all the nearest planets to the sun. Okay, and in this, Mercury is the smallest planet and Venus is the brightest planet, and the Earth is the only planet which has water, life on it. Okay, and Mars is the what? Red planet. Okay, we call this is what? Mars has red planet and it has 2 moons. Earth has 1 moon. There is no moon for Mercury. Understood? These are all the points that you should keep in mind. Understood, children? Okay, they may ask in your exams, they will ask these questions. Okay, come, we'll see the outer planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, okay, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so come, we'll see that. Jupiter. This is the largest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It shines brightly in the night sky, okay, and it has 63 moons. It has a big red spot on it, okay. It has a what? Big red spot on it. See here, if you see, Jupiter is the biggest planet compared to all planets. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system, okay. And we know all these four are what? Made up of gases, okay. That's why we call it as gas giants, and these are all very big in size. And Jupiter has how many moons? 63 moons. And Mars has 2 moons and Earth has 1 moon. Jupiter has 63 moons. Okay, understood? Okay, and this is the largest planet, and what? It shines brightly in the sky. Okay, the next one is Saturn. Okay, it is the second largest planet. It has 7 rings around it. 7 rings, like these 7 rings. Okay, it is called the planet of rings. We call it as planet of rings. And it has 62 known moons, okay. And how many moons? 62 known moons, okay. We don't know exactly, and approximately it has 62 moons, okay. What? That is a Saturn. What? Saturn. And we call this is a Saturn. This is the second largest planet, okay. First largest planet is Jupiter. Smallest planet is Mercury, okay. And brightest planet is Venus, okay. Red planet is Mars. Jupiter is the largest planet. Planet of ring is Saturn. How many rings are there? 7 rings are there, okay. The Saturn has 7 rings, okay. Understood? And the next one is Uranus. What? Uranus. It is made of a blue colored gas, okay. It is made up of blue colored gas. It is the 7th planet from the sun. It has 27 moons. Okay, it has a what? This Uranus is made up of blue colored gas. Okay, that's why it looks blue in color. Okay, blue colored gas. Okay, it has how many moons? 27 moons. Okay, and the last planet, that is the 8th planet, is Neptune. It is the farthest planet, okay, farthest planet. That is a what? It is far away from the sun, okay, and also the coldest planet. So, which is the coldest planet? Neptune is the coldest planet. Strong cold winds blow on it constantly. It has 13 moons, okay. It has how many moons? 13 moons. Understood, children? Okay, these are all the what? Outer planets, okay. Neptune is the coldest planet. Okay, and cold winds blow on it continuously, okay. Understood? So, these are all the planets of our solar system. Understood, children? See, look here. What are all the planets of the solar system? Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, okay. This is far away from the sun, and it is the coldest planet. And Uranus is the planet made up of blue gases, okay. Then Neptune has how many moons? How many moons? Uranus, this if you take what? Jupiter has 63 moons, Saturn has 62 moons, Uranus has 27 moons, okay. And Neptune has 13 moons, and Earth has only 1 moon, Mars has 2 moons, okay. Understood, children? These are the things about the planet. So the Earth, okay, come we'll see it. See, we know now all the planets, about all the planets. Come we'll see about our planet, the Earth, okay. The Earth, our home planet, is the only planet that supports life. This is possible because it has water and then a layer of air called atmosphere, okay. What the Earth has? Which supports life on Earth? Water and the layer of air, that which we call it as atmosphere, okay. The Earth is made up of 4 distinct layers, okay. What? The Earth is made up of, we know Earth is the planet of water, rock, okay. Inner planet, and it is made up of heavy rock, Okay, that we will see now. The earth is made of 4 distinct layers. Okay, 4 distinct layers. Okay, these are the crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. The crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. See, if you consider this as the earth, the planet, okay, it is made up of 4 layers. Okay, that is the crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Okay, the outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. The outermost layer of the earth. Okay, this is the outermost layer of the earth, which we call it as the crust. It is made of solid rocks and some minerals. Okay, it is made of solid rocks and some minerals. Okay, this is cool and has everything required for life to exist. Okay, this is cool. See, if you take the crust, that is outermost part of the outermost layer of the earth, no, which is what, cool and has everything required for life to exist. Okay, and is made up of solid rocks and some minerals. Okay, understood, children? The outermost layer of the earth, which we call it as crust, no, it is made up of rocks and some minerals. Okay, this is cool and has everything required for life to exist. The layer below the crust is called the mantle. Okay, it is made of hot molten rock. Okay, the crust is made up of solid rocks and minerals. The mantle is made up of hot molten rock. Okay, the outer, okay, understood, children? See, the crust is made up of what, solid rock and minerals, and it is cool. The mantle is what, made up of hot, it's very hot molten rock. Okay, understood, children? And the outer core is made up of molten metal, which is called lava. Okay, and the outer core is made up of molten metal, okay, which is called lava. Okay, the inner core is made of metals. Okay, and the inner core is made up of metals. Due to high pressure, okay, from within, the molten rock and lava, okay, sometimes come out with a great force through the weak spots on the earth. This eruption is called volcano. Okay, volcano. Okay, understood, children? So the inner core is made up of molten metal. The outer core is made up of water. Yeah, the outer core is made up of molten metal, which is called lava. Okay, and the inner core is made up of what? Metal. Okay, made of metals. Outer core is made up of molten metals, which is called lava, and what? The mantle is made up of hot molten rock. Okay, this is made up of metal. Inner core is made up of metal. Outer core is made up of molten metal. Okay, and the mantle is made up of hot molten rock. Okay, and the crust is made up of cool solid rock. Understood, children? So what happens when this lava and the molten rock, what will happen? The molten rock and the lava will come out through with a great force through the weak spots on the earth. This eruption of this lava is called what? Volcano. Okay, volcano. See here, this is nothing but a volcano. See, through the volcano, the lava is coming out. The hot water, molten rock and the lava, the molten metal, no, that those are all coming out of from the water. Yeah, from the inner core, outer core and the mantle. From the mantle and the outer core, that lava and the molten rock is coming out, erupted, which is called the volcanoes. Okay, volcanoes. Understood, children? So this is about our earth, how the earth is made of. So it is made up of 4 layers: crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Okay, crust is the solid rock and minerals. Mantle is the hot and which is cool, and mantle is hot molten rock. And the outer core is the water. Yeah, molten metal, and the inner core is made up of metal. Understood, children? So now you can understand everything, know how our earth is made of. Okay.